Hi everyone, welcome to the session of JavaScript courses and certifications. Today we are going to learn about different certificates and courses, how we can learn the JavaScript. Let's start with my introduction. I am Devinder Singh. I have total 6+ years of experience. Currently I am working with Thales Group as a technical lead. I worked on different domains like telecommunication, banking and airspace. You can connect me on devinderdeensa350@gmail.com or by LinkedIn using devinderdeensa350. I done 10 plus certifications on JavaScript. I have good knowledge of Java. I develop approximately 80 plus websites using JavaScript and other web application frameworks. Today we are going to learn about JavaScript courses, their certifications, and we need a JavaScript certification, how they can help us, and what are the free courses available in the market to learn the JavaScript, and what are the best paid certifications for the JavaScript and courses. Let's start with the basic introduction of JavaScript. JavaScript invented in 1995 and become a ECMA standard in 1997. ECMA 262 is the official name of standard, and ECMS script is a official name of JavaScript. JavaScript is most popular language because we can develop different type of application like static web applications as well as web application, native mobile application, desktop applications, or even server-side applications using different type of frameworks. Like most popular frameworks are Angular based on TypeScript. TypeScript is also JavaScript. It is just an advanced version of JavaScript. After that we have React, Node.js, jQuery. All these are the powerful frameworks based on the JavaScript language. This is the reason like nowadays we have hundreds of the job opportunities related to the JavaScript. If we are good knowledge of Java and if we are certified Java developer, then we have lot of opportunities in the web development, because in this world there is I think there is no website without a JavaScript. In each and every website required like three basic things: CSS, HTML and JavaScript. These are the backbone of our web applications. Now start with the first like course or tutorial. It is a best website. We can learn JavaScript using the W3 schools, and it is a free and it is a most popular website. Like we can say, if we want to learn the basic things, not only basic, we can learn from basic to advanced using this tutorial, and it is very easy to learn and with very good examples. We can say it consists of different type of examples, live examples and demos. So for the beginners, if we are fresh and we doesn't have any prior experience of like developing JavaScript application, then W3 school is the best tutorial point, and it is easy to learn. Second in our list is a Udemy. Like there is a course of Udemy, the complete JavaScript course 2022 and 2023, both are good. Okay, but the best thing, it is based on real projects. There we get a chance to work and develop a real project. And it also have a different type of challenges, games, and with the exams. Like it also have a final exam for it will give one completion certificate, and it also instruct about the ES6 is the latest. Like if we want to like learn some advanced skills, then ECS6 knowledge, like basic knowledge, is required. So this course is also like ideal for the beginners as well as the are already like who know the basic of JavaScript. Third course in our list is a Coursera course. It is a modern JavaScript ES6 basics. As everyone know, ES6 is a like it is a must to learn if we want to work on Node.js, React or Angular for frameworks, because nowadays most of the front end and back end like websites are developed using the Angular, Node.js or React. So if we have a knowledge of ES6 features like lambda functions, arrow functions, variables, templates, like a lot of which will increase the performance. So this course is best, and the best thing, this is the quick course. It is approximately like 2 to 3 hours, or we can say half day course, and we can learn basic and with the hands-on experience examples, like it contain live examples how we can with the live projects, like we can do the live coding. Fourth course in our list is the complete guide to modern JavaScript. Here we are able to learn the modern techniques, and the best thing is the IDE on which we are going to work. It is a very user friendly. We can just be writing anything in the browser console, like in the browser. If we do the inspect elements, then we can come with the console where we can write the JavaScript code. It is just like simple that, and we didn't need any setup. We can just go and start the coding, and while coding we can learn. And it also teaches about the new functions, new add-ons of the JavaScript. It is totally like latest course. Our fourth course is free of cost. There be no need to pay anything. It is a JavaScript guide at freecodecamp.org. If we go, it is a most popular course with the like real projects, like real world projects. And we can also, if we get a knowledge, okay, we can also try for the jobs for the developer, because according to our ranking, because we are going to do participate in some competitions or coding challenges, according to our performance we also chance get a job offer. And the best thing, it will teach us about the JavaScript and JavaScript data structures, algorithms, and front end development end to end, like how we can develop, like how we will integrate JavaScript inside HTML, and how we can make our elements or documents reactive, how they can perform, how they can reactive. It is the best thing in that. Now courses, we already discussed about different type of courses. Now it's time to move to the certifications. Like certifications are the most important thing. Course is a help to learn the things, but exam, like when we do some study, after that exam is important. And certification is a mark, is a identity, like we done this certifications, it means we are expert in that. It is a proper certification, proper exam. And if we say like we are the JavaScript certified developer, okay, it will increase our chance for the job. First course in our list is certificate, JavaScript certificate from W3 schools. Its pricing is approximately $95, or we can say 7,000 or 7.5 K. And here it is approximately 30-hour course. And the best thing, we can learn about the HTML and CSS basic knowledge, and it is a worldwide recognized like one of the most precious certificate. And if a person done this certificate, it will get a good chance of job, because certification is very important for to recognize our skills and how we are good. And according to me, this certification is the best for the beginners if we want the initial phase of certification. The learning is also good, like we already know about the W3 schools platform. It will give the live examples of the projects, and the course is very very vast and very popular, we can say. Second course in our list is Introduction to the Programming Using the JavaScript. It is by Microsoft. As we know, Microsoft certifications are recognized globally, and it has one market value. If we have a tag like I done a certification from the Microsoft on the JavaScript, it will recognize all over the world. And it also get the preferences, like if we are going to apply for any job, it will add one best thing in our resume. And second thing, if we do this course, and we will get the not only coding, we will get the knowledge of debugging, how to maintain the code, and also everything, and different type of multiple data type like and other type of features is also covered in this. But this is somewhat lengthy course, or we can say certification. It approximately required 100 hours of practicing and learning. After that, there is an examination which we need to give, and the cost of this certification is 36996 currently. And it also cover the same like HTML and DOM knowledge, because JavaScript alone never work. We need a basic knowledge of HTML and DOM, how the elements react. So this certification, according to me, is also good certification, and worldwide recognition. Third certification in our list is a JavaScript certification from IGSI, or International JavaScript Institute. This certification is a advanced certification, we can say, like the W3 schools and Microsoft are the for basic and beginners, and this is for the advanced. This is like a direct certification. There is no course included in it. This certification or exam, it will conduct an exam of 90 minutes. The cost is approximately 75 euros, or we can say 6600. And it will cover the deep concepts of DOM, Ajax, like how we will call the REST endpoints using the JavaScript, how the different models of object models of browser will work, how we will interact the web API, means REST endpoint calls. Other than that, the syntax, data type, different type of operations, deeper knowledge of data structure, algorithm is required. And this is advanced certification, and it is also recognized globally. And I say, if we first we will go for the W3 schools and the Microsoft. If we get a confidence, then we can go for this certification. This is a actual like professional certification for the professional developers, and it is a massive like demand in the companies. If we have this certification in our bucket list or in our resume, it will really enhance our chances to crack any good organization. Our fourth certification in our list is the certification by pearl sign. Like this is approximately 3 month duration course, and it will cost you approximately 1500 to 3000. It contain approximately 13 courses to complete acquire this is Java certifications. We need to do the 11 courses. And this start from the basic, like from the fundamental concept, from the data type, data structure, after that data structure, OOPS concept, then arrays, variables, functions, objects. Then then it will go to the, in the second week we will came to the, like we like the basic, intermediate level. After that the third level is the advanced. It will cover from basic, intermediate and advanced, all the concepts, and also with the live examples, with the browser integrations, like how can be integrate inside the browser, and also with the proper how we can utilize different type of inbuilt classes. Like there are some inbuilt classes in the JavaScript frameworks, and how we can use. And it also cover the concept of classes, like modules, and like we can say proper OOPS concepts in it. Next course in our list is a JavaScript, like a deep JavaScript V3 foundation course. It is for intermediate level persons. Its duration is approximately 10 hours. It costs you approximately 40 for means $40 per month, or we can say 3000 rupees per month. The best thing, it is of intermediate level. It will cover all the basic algorithms, static types, operator, abstract operations, and other important concepts which we need to on each and every project. If we are working on any as a web developer, we need. And it also help us to learn JavaScript ES6 functions, and object wrappers, closures, and all these other somewhat advanced concepts which it will cover. And it also have a like a industrial recognition. It also involve different type of real world projects. We are going to work with the real life projects, and it is a lecture base. It is not like a pre-recorded videos. It is properly lecture based, and it also enhances lot of skills. Means I definitely recommend this course. Like if we done with the basic course before going to the advanced level or any certification, if this course will be must. And because with the live lectures or interaction with the like tutor, we can learn a lot of things. We can ask different type of questions and other thing. And the second thing, we can we can get a chance to work on the real web application or environments, like browsers and other environments. So I will recommend this course. This course is one of the best one of the best and required course. At the end, JS or JavaScript, it is a most popular programming language. Almost 98% websites are using the JavaScript with the HTML and CSS. Like JavaScript alone never work, and almost all the websites in this world are developed using the HTML, CSS and JavaScript. These three technologies are must to proceed our career as a web developer. It is not only client side language. Nowadays we can use it to develop the desktop applications, web application, mobile applications, client side or server side application, both the application. And with using different type of frameworks, like Angular, React, different type of frameworks are based on that. The most powerful thing is like APIs. We can integrate application programming interfaces, or we can say APIs, using this JavaScript, and we will call the backend services, and using different type of data structures. And the DOM is the powerful element in JavaScript. So if we want to proceed as a web developer, JavaScript knowledge of JavaScript and the certifications of JavaScript are most important to proceed as a career in the web development or in the IT industry. So if we have certifications, and it will help us in the grow, and it will differentiate between with other people or other applicants. So learning JavaScript and getting the certification is the must. So thank you so much. Then you can connect me on devinderdinsha350 @gmail.com, and thank you for your time.